Hi there, I'm Alana, a medical researcher passionate about sharing insights and solutions for conditions like tinnitus. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of tinnitus, what it is, what causes it, and most importantly, how you can find relief. Tinnitus, it's like your ears have their own secrets. Have you ever heard sounds when there's absolutely nothing around? That's what tinnitus is all about. It's your ear's way of speaking up. The sounds can range from ringing to buzzing, and they can be pretty persistent. But here's the thing, tinnitus isn't the main issue. It's a signal that something else might be going on. What's causing those mysterious sounds? Well, it could be a bunch of things. Maybe you've cranked up the volume a bit too high on your favorite tunes, or maybe time has caught up with your ears and age-related hearing loss is kicking in. Earwax buildup. Yep, that's another potential culprit. So is some health conditions and specific medications. So let's crack the code on your tinnitus. It's all about finding out what's causing it. Now, I'm sure you're eager to know how to handle tinnitus. There are some pretty clever strategies out there. Ever heard of white noise machines? They can help mask those phantom sounds, especially when you're trying to sleep. Lifestyle adjustments also play a crucial role. Things like cutting back on caffeine, managing stress, and getting a good night's sleep can really help. And remember, protecting your ears in noisy places is essential. Alright, here's the game changer I promised you. It's called Cortexi. This incredible product is designed to tackle tinnitus head-on, and it's been shown to provide relief in as little as 14 days. Yes, you heard that right, just 14 days. Cortexi is packed with natural ingredients carefully selected to address the root causes of tinnitus and help you regain control of your hearing and your life. If you're interested in learning more about Cortexi, you can find the link in the video description below. Remember, your journey to tinnitus relief is unique, and the decision to explore Cortexi is entirely up to you. If you have questions or want to share your experiences with tinnitus, feel free to drop a comment below. Your health and well-being come first, and I'm here to provide information and support.